I want closeness, but when someone gets too close, I panic. And when they pull away, I fall apart. Does that sound familiar? Tap along with me. I crave connection, but don't feel safe in it. I want to be loved, but I don't trust love to last. I get scared when someone gets too close. Then I get scared when they pull away. It's like my heart doesn't know which way to turn. I keep waiting for the other shoe to drop. I feel torn between wanting and fearing love. It's exhausting not knowing how to feel safe with people. I learned that love and danger could come together. My nervous system got wired for confusion. Part of me still expects love to hurt. I'm not broken for feeling this way. I was doing my best to survive inconsistent care. My need for closeness was never the problem. It was the lack of safety around it. And I can finally start to unlearn that. Let's take a deep breath together. You just acknowledged so much truth and pain. Now let's shift toward creating emotional safety and trust within yourself. I can learn what safety feels like in my body. I can breathe when love feels overwhelming. It's okay to take closeness one step at a time. I'm learning to stay present instead of panicking. I don't have to run or chase anymore. I can pause, breathe, and soothe my system. I'm giving myself the consistency I've always needed. I'm learning to be a safe person for myself. I can hold both love and fear and still be okay. I can love without losing myself. I can receive care without shutting down. I can express needs without shame. I can feel safe being fully seen. I'm not too much, and I'm not impossible to love. My heart is learning how to trust again. And I'm creating secure attachment within myself. You don't have to run from love or chase it anymore. You can feel safe being loved. And if you found today's video useful and you would like more support, please consider downloading my 3 free EFT tapping scripts. The download link is in my bio.